They took too long and they missed out on a real one. There's somebody that you could have very well had a long-term relationship with in this life that would have been very beneficial. Somebody that the Most High made you to cross paths for a reason. This could have been a friend. This could have been somebody that you actually dated in the past. Some of you, this could have been somebody that you was married to, or you had a child or children with. The thing about it is this person had their opportunity to get things together, to get things right. And the Most High held you for a very long time for this person. However, they've been replaced. The Most High has replaced somebody in your life. And this is the thing, but before I even get into that, I want to say this, because this is how y'all gonna know, for those of you who this is for, that this is very direct confirmation. For those of you who this is for, this is a person that in your soul, you just knew this was your soulmate. Regardless of what you went through with this person, maybe you went through a lot of different things with this person. Maybe you had a long patience, you know what they say, you are long suffering for this person. Almost had the type of long suffering, how they say that the Most High, the unconditional love and the unwavering, favor and forgiveness. You kind of had that same type of energy towards this person, because there was something inside of you deep down. It's like it was just like a soulmate. It was almost like family. The thing is, for those of you who this is for, this person has been replaced. Some of you already have the person in your life who this person has been replaced with. And for some of you, you have somebody that's coming in. For those of you that the person's already in your life that replaced this person, you could be dating this person romantically, or this could be somebody that's in your life as a friend that you just haven't really looked at in that way or made space for, because some of you have been kind of subconsciously holding on to this other person that the Most High has since replaced. Somebody missed out on their spot. And for those of you who this is for, this is direct confirmation, so that you can release that and let that go and understand, like, no, you weren't tripping. This person was definitely a soulmate. This person had the potential to go throughout life with you in the long run. However, because of their procrastination, because of their ways, because of their own insecurities, jealousies, and not doing the work that it takes to really heal and evolve as a person, it's like it's no longer a yoke. The Most High has replaced that. This is a particular time in your life where there are certain things that are coming together. Some of you have certain destinies in terms of what you're meant to do in terms of your own personal legacy. Some of you have destinies in terms of what you're meant to create in terms of family. People don't talk about it enough. A lot of times in this generation, we spend so much time talking about get into the bag, I get into the bag, oh my God, I get into the bag. People forget like the actual important things in life. And don't get me wrong, this pretty boss TV, so we bossed up. We do know that we need certain material things in order to get along in life, and there's certain ones of us who we like to live a certain type of lifestyle. There's nothing wrong with that, but that is a small piece of the entire puzzle. The material things in the bag isn't all that there is to life. The bag don't hug you at night. The bag don't give love. The bag just gives you a bag. It helps you to go buy things that you might want to buy, but that's about all you're going to get from the bag. I didn't even mean to digress on that, but for some of you, family is going to be very significant for you. When we're talking about family, when we're talking about connections, when we're talking about soulmates, there's nothing in this world that trumps genuine connections. There's nothing in this world that trumps love. There's nothing in this world that trumps support. The Bible says 2 is stronger than 1, and a threefold cord is not quickly broken. 2 being that other one, that companion. 3 being when there's a companion, when there's a group of people that come together in the Most High to where you get that 3. Family is everything. It's very important. And a lot of times, even in this generation, there are some people that might be turned off to family because of the type of family relationships that you experience, because of the type of toxic, generational, cursed on top of cursed backgrounds that many of the chosen ones have come from. Some are deterred from the idea of family, but this is a new season. God seeks that which has been driven away. You're going to be able to be blessed in a generation to where you can get the bag, but also have a true family structure in your life. People that are meant to be in your life in terms of soul family, certain people that were meant to be in your life that are actually in your family that have been ostracized that you're going to be coming together with, and people that you are creating a family with. People that you're going to be able to stand the test of time with. If that's something that you deep down in your heart desire, you're going to be able to have that. This person missed out on that opportunity because you're in a season where the Most High is ready to start building your family, and you can't wait your entire life for that. What the Most High has coming out of you, some of you, you're going to be having more children in the future. Some of you might not have kids and you're going to have a child, and different things of that nature, and certain things that y'all are meant to do as a couple in certain decades and stages of your life. That's going to be coming to you now. Some of you, even if you might listen to that and you're like, well, I'm beyond the age of having a child, or I can't have children, or I'm beyond the age of this and that. No matter what your age, even if you're somebody who's a lot more mature in age, there are certain things that the Most High is ready to do within building a family structure around you. We don't only have to give birth to children. You know, there's many ways that we can come across the souls that are meant to be in our lives. Some of you are going to be adopting. Even if you are somebody who has the ability to give birth, God is going to lead some of you to adopt and do different things where you're really building a true family structure, a foundation, where you're leaving a legacy that the bag makes a difference for. If you would like personal confirmation on this particular prophetic message, you can book a personal with me on Pretty Boss TV. Also, remember on PrettyBossTV.com, it's not just about prophetic personals. I also do a lot of different types of business mentorship, and I have all types of business services that are available as well. So check out PrettyBossTV.com, and you might be surprised that there's a service there that may catch your interest that I'll be more than happy to assist you with. Also, our first official course is out on PrettyBossTV.Academy called 30 Days to Success. This is a course that has been designed to give you the blueprint. If you're anything like I was back in my early 20s, I got sick of hearing people on TV talk about, you got to do this, and you got to be positive, and you got to do these things, and you got to be worthy, and you got to do this. I was up to here because I'm like, man, I'm trying to do all of these things, but ain't nobody giving me the formula though. I was up to here in my early 20s about trying to figure out that blueprint, and I finally started to get to it, and I started to find that blueprint around, I would say, past my mid-20s, okay? And now that blueprint is actually on paper in concrete form, to where it's not just a blueprint that I have in my mind, but a blueprint that everybody can follow. And it's not just any blueprint, it actually becomes a personalized blueprint. As you work through the course, you'll have your own personalized blueprint for success by the end of those 30 days in your hands, that you can repeat every 30 days until it becomes a habit and a way of life. And you're going to see that it's very easy to attain success in any aspect of your life that you decide to focus after you attain that blueprint. That's available on PrettyBossTV.Academy at a launch special for right now. It will be its original price sooner than later, so make sure if you are interested in that you do go ahead and snag it at the launch special. Also, if you would like to join a community of like-minded and like-hearted people, y'all can find us on patreon.com/PrettyBossTV, where the chosen ones are at, okay? We get it in prophetically. We're there all the time. Even when we go a little bit ghost on YouTube, we'll be on Patreon. And even if we do be on YouTube, we really actually get it in and dive a lot deeper on patreon.com/PrettyBossTV. Also, we have our monthly live streams. We have our groups. We finally got our first official Facebook group back, which I'm very excited about. And best believe we're going to start doing events and everything like that soon, family. But when I do events, when I have certain products and services, the ones who gets first dibs to everything and the exclusive access is always, without a doubt, Pretty Boss TV Patreons. Y'all find us over there. I love y'all so much, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Y'all willing? Peace.